Assalamualaikum, this is Rana Jwadakhtar, mjcommerce Multan. Dear, today our topic how you will buy unique address in Texas state in USA, because today I will start my new project LLC creation in the Texas state. First I check in my LLC entity name. Yes, after that I will buy my unique address in USA Texas state. So this is the website available. You can copy or you can find brand store one LLC and the business entity name LLC, and this one you will click on no, and also change the register agent no. This box also you will empty, and second you can find in my description, and after that you can buy your unique address. So very simple, you can see here this is the website, and second I will fill all detail here. So this is the detail available and unique state, suit number. Yes, so guys, depend for you which plan you want to buy. You can buy this plan or you can plan this one. I will buy this plan, and after that you can see below contact information. This is my client information, their telephone number, USA telephone number, and country Pakistan, street address Pakistan, city Multan, and state also Multan. This is the zip code, and after that you can put your email address, password, and also everything is a complete. So total package 134, and after that you can submit it. When you will submit it, after that you will pay the payment for your credit card. When you will pay your payment, and after that your confirmation mail will come in your mail, and after that you can use this unique address. So I will pay this payment, and after that you can see here we receive one mail, welcome the Texan registered agent. You can see here the our address. So here our address agent they mention, so we already buy our agent and our unique address. And also you can see here your the dashboard, they mention here the dashboard also available. Hi Muhammad Rizwan. So this is the very simple, you can buy your unique address in Texas state. The many website available, but this is the authentic website. You can buy your unique address, and after that you can apply your LLC in the Texas state. So I hope you can understand very easy. If you need any question you can ask, or you can drop your message in my comments box. So I will reply soon as soon possible. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.